The village of Sakshya is set among beautiful mountains, with a large banyan tree watching over a small, peaceful pond. All around this scene, the villagers are busy at their daily jobs.
Sir, would you give me rice in exchange of cloth?
Yes, here, take it.
The people here are exchanging a pot for some fish. This system, the direct exchange of goods for other goods, is called barter system.
Will you trade your cloth for my fish?
No. I only want rice. You are wasting my time.
You are a very rude man.
You have no cloth. Go away now.
Fights started to take place in the village because of the barter system. This direct exchange of goods for goods left the people feeling very dissatisfied. That evening, the matter of the constant fighting was brought to the attention of the village leader, Sukla. Seeing the conflict that was dividing his people, he called a meeting.
My people, I see your struggles. I hear your fights in the market. You fight over fish and cloth. You argue over rice and pots. This anger is tearing our village apart. Our problem is the barter system. It forces us to argue. Today, we end this. We are starting a new system for all of us. We will call it Gram Madra. And to ensure their honesty, I will prepare each Gram Madra coin myself. The mark I place upon the clay is my personal guarantee to every one of you. This is not a coin you can lose. It is a promise. It is a record of your work and your trust in each other.
How much is the cloth?
3 gram madra.
Here, take these 3 gram madra and give me cloth.
Okay.
For a while, trading with gram mudra coins brought good times to the village of Sakshya. But this new peace ended late one night. A group of villagers found the clay potter in his workshop, secretly making fake copies of the real coins. Feeling very angry and betrayed, they took the man to the village leader, Sukla.
This cheating is wrong and cannot happen again. We can no longer trust the clay coins alone. So, from now on, I will keep this book made of palm leaves. All trades for everyone in the village will be written down right here. After every exchange, both people must come to me, and I will write the record in my book. This is how we will keep our trades honest and true.
Day after day, the villagers made their way to Sukla's house. They came to report their trades so he could maintain the single official record for the entire village.
I gave you 4 gram madra for 4 fish yesterday. The transaction is written in Sukla's palm leaf book for all to see.
No, you did not. You gave me 3 gram madra, and I gave you 3 fish. That was our deal.
The two villagers went to Sukla's house, hoping to find the truth in his official book. Instead, they found him in despair, staring at his palm leaf book, which had been ruined by a large ink stain that erased their records. This left their argument unsolvable, and their trust in the system completely broken. From the doorway, Sukla's wife Sumati watched this scene of failure, her mind already forming a new, better plan. That same day, Sumati organized a meeting for all the villagers in the main square. As the crowd gathered, she stood before them with a calm and confident expression.
Friends, we are here because our old system has failed. We saw today that having only one book is dangerous. What happens if the book is lost or destroyed again? What if the bookkeeper gets sick? We cannot place our village's trust in a single person or a single object ever again. We will no longer have a centralized system where one leader holds all the records. Instead, from now on, the power will be in all of our hands. We will all be the keepers of the truth. Here is how it will work. Every family will keep a palm leaf book. When a trade happens, it will be announced publicly, and every one of us will write that same record in our own book. When a page is full, we will seal it with copper wax and the village emblem. This will ensure our records are safe and can never be secretly changed. This is our new way. It is a system built on the trust of everyone. I ask you all to follow this path so our village of Sakshia can be fair and true once more.
In our story, the blockchain is the whole system of shared palm leaf books. Each single page, or palm leaf, filled with trades, is a block. The copper wax seal, used to keep the pages safe, is the cryptography. The entire system is decentralized because the ledger is shared across all the people in the village, who act like a network of computers. The gram mudra, in its final form, is the cryptocurrency. It is no longer a physical clay coin, but simply a unit of value recorded as a transaction in the shared books. Its value is secured and trusted because the entire village is watching over the records, not just a single leader like Sukla. This allows the gram mudra to be used as a fair and honest medium of exchange on the blockchain system.